exponents and powers. The example 25 into t to the power minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8. We have to solve this using the laws of exponents. Now we know that in the chapter of a square we have read that 25 is a square of 5. So we can write this as 5 square upon 5 to the power minus 3 into t to the power minus 4 is there. So we can write this 10 as 2 into 5, and the t together we can write t to the power minus 4 upon t to the power minus 8. Now here the division work is there, so we can just solve using the laws of exponents for the division where the power gets subtracted. So solving this 5, now here you can just cancel also. 5 to the power minus 3 is there and 5 to the power 1 we can write. So minus 3 plus 1, as these two they are in the multiplication, and in the multiplication power gets added up. So you can write this as 5 to the power 2 minus 3 minus 1. Now this also is getting subtracted into 1 upon 2 into t to the power minus 4 minus of 8, t to the power minus 4 minus of 8. Now again solving this, what you are getting is 2, this minus and this minus becomes plus, so 2 plus 3 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4, so that 5 to the power 4 into 1 upon 2 and into t. Now t is having minus 4 and this minus becomes plus. Minus 4 plus 8, minus 4 plus 8, that is 8 minus 4 is 4. Now here you can write as this 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 4, and together they can be written in one power as 5t whole to the power 4 upon 2. So this is the solution. Now let us move to the another one. 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 whole upon 5 to the power minus 2 into 6 to the power minus of 5. So what we have to do is just see the common things. 3 to the power minus 5, 10 can be written in the terms of the product of 2 into 5. 125 is a cube of 5, and this one. Now let us start solving. 3 to the power minus 5 into, now here we will write it as 2 into 5. 10 we have written as 2 into 5 whole to the power minus 5 into, and 125 is written as 5 cube whole upon 5 to the power minus 2 into, now 6 again can be written as 2 into 3 minus 5 as the power. Now again take the common numbers together and separate out, and you can make all the powers as positive. 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 cube. We have separated out this upon 5 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. Now if you see carefully, in the numerator and denominator, the common term 2 to the power minus 5 is there. So we can just cancel out this term. Again 3 to the power minus 5, this is also common. This is also cancelled up. So remaining is 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power 3 whole upon 5 to the power minus 2. This 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power 3 whole upon 5 to the power minus 2 is there. So we can just see this one is left. Now here all the power of 5 is remaining. So we have to just calculate them. You will just see that minus 5 and plus 3 is minus of 2. 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3 upon 5 to the power minus 2. What you see that 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3 is minus of 2. So this becomes 5 to the power minus 2 upon 5 to the power minus 2, which again cancels up, and the answer is 1. So we can write in this way. So we have to solve. The laws of exponents that are used in these questions are generally a to the power, these are a to the power m into a to the power n, where the power gets added up as m plus n, then a to the power m upon a to the power n, this is a to the power m minus n, and also a into b whole to the power m. This can be separated as a to the power m into b to the power m. So this way we have used these laws of exponents to solve the question. Now here easily you can solve using these laws of exponents. Thanks.